Hi, welcome back to my survival series, Sorry for the Animal Noises, and we have now decided it's going to be called The Pack, and I am really looking forward to doing it. In general, we've got a bit of farming to do today. Stuff to do, plant some carrots, plant a carrot, and plant this, nope, plant that. What else? Plant a potato, plant some more of this. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. This is our little pup, and I have not named him, and I forgot what I was going to call him. So if you would like to leave his name down in the comments below, please. Yeah, that would be great. So the series is now called The Pack because I got to create a pack, and now we've got the other two names for our dogs. So this is Janita. I think that's a really sweet name. And then this is Tom. She's gonna be like a shepherd dog. By the way, if you hear panting, it's a little one because because of some technical difficulties with dogs, and I'm a bit annoyed about that. Anyway, I've already put the water in here. So it's no, we can't. Oh, so we're gonna place. Four potato. There we go. Oh look. Oh yeah, and by the way, these are little carpets. I don't know what happened to the other one. I'm going to plant the sugar cane. Can't have it there because then you can't go through. Oh well, it could be like a welcome maybe. Yeah. Wipe your feet before you go inside. I think that's better. I'm going to leave it like that, so I should go a bit more. And then here, I've got the materials. Yeah, I placed some stuff on my chest on my pumpkin. What about my pumpkin pie there because that's food. Oh, I've got tons of carrots. We need them. We need that. I'll leave my iron in there. I need my pumpkin pie. Okay. What I'm most need to do is the axe. I'm not very prepared today. As you can see, it's just all higgledy-piggledy just to set up a video and get that done. Is there any? Oh, there is, but I can't see any actually. Let's go over here. Okay, we're going all the way over here. This is a sheep that I'm actually going to let free now. Because I feel really cool. Because I feel really cruel. please down. Now this one. Yes, no, nothing strange has really happened. Like, since I've been here, I've just been doing my own thing. Nothing's, like, come from the sky, nothing's come up. No mobs have spawned. But for some reason, I'm a bit worried about tonight. I feel a bit restless. And I don't know why. So I'm going to go on an edge. I'm not going to go caving. Yeah, I don't feel very comfortable in this world at the moment. I don't know what it is. I just feel very insecure, like something's like here that I don't know about and something's coming. I don't know about. Yes, I don't really know at all. I should be hopping to the villages. Actually, we'll just go to sleep because, yeah. Even though monsters might spawn today, they might not, I don't know. I just feel a bit safer if I know. So that's how I'm going to be chopping my trees down from. Oh. Right over there. Everything looks normal now. Didn't see anything weird or strange that shouldn't be in this world. So everything's fine, I think. Okay. Anyway, let's get on with the episode. Please don't say I have to kill a cow. I might have to kill a cow. I'm going to have to kill a cow. Let's go upstairs and check if I don't have to kill a cow, because I would be really annoyed if I had to kill my cows. No, I don't. There's chicken for them to eat. That's fine. I'm going to have to kill a cow. Okay, off to sleep we go. Off to sleep. You know, you'll see my string inside. He's all grown up. I wanted to name him as a puppy, but fate defeated us. Anyway, so get a name for this. He's got an orange collar. Tell me what he likes. Tell me what he dislikes, and tell me if he's really close to me or if he's very independent. Yeah. So that's about him or her. You can decide. Okay, I hear noises that I don't like. Okay, let's just feed these dogs. Excuse me. You're very cheeky. Your mummy. Right, we're gonna sit down here. Just close this up. Just close it up. I'm gonna push you out, Janita. Fine, you can sit here and eat your breakfast. Got another mouth to feed now. Got to think of a dye for you. So, red. What colour are you wearing? White. Okay. Milky. Oh, I want. This one's called Milky. If you've got any other names that are like milk, please send them to me. And something to do with orange as well. Something to do with the colour orange, or something to do with someone's character. So the parents of Janita and Tom. Tom the shepherd dog and Janita the house dog. That's a bit weird. But please name this one. I think it's going to be called Milky. But you pick names, please. I haven't had anyone do this, and I really want names for my dog, so I can. Yeah. And if you do give a name for this lovely little pup here, well, adult now. But what's going to happen as well is what I was going to do today. I was going to kill a cow. I'm going to do that at the end of the episode, so it's not that gruesome, because, you know, I don't want all the episode to be gruesome. So, it's going to be here, in front of the window. I should be using an axe, but I've got my hand at the moment. Okay, so what's going to happen is Sam's going to go on here. What I'm going to do is we're going to over here. So basically Sam's going to go on here. And I've not put anyone, so if you give a name for one of these dogs, your name will go up in here. And yeah, so the name will come up in here. The first name will be on the top, and it will go down, down, down. We'll keep getting underground and stuff. And I think, so you can either have it, it's either going to be your name, you can pick, you can say, my name please, or you can pick a name. If it's your name, it will be on there.